Hi, my name is Corey Hintz, and today we are going to go over some Surefire fertilizer systems along with new products with John Deere. So let's get started. Our hot topics for our fertilizer discussion is going to be some rate controller conquering, our supported brand Surefire AG, and then getting into John Deere ExactRate. So starting with our Surefire products, we have the Sentinel from Surefire AG, which is a product that monitors flow and is isobus compatible. So you can visualize the product going to each row through your John Deere display and eliminate a metering ball system. A LiquiShift product allows a section of valves to control flow based on changing rates and changing speeds throughout the field. It pairs with a prescription map and eliminates any conflict with increasing rates or decreasing rates as your product is applied. The Accelerator product through Surefire AG is an all-in-one system that can be implement or tractor mounted. It contains an electromagnetic flow meter, the Tower 200 pump system, and a tank assembly with row unit plumbing. This system is available in 55, 110, and 155 gallon tank options. Getting into the Surefire AG Spartan. So this is a all-in-one product injection system. We have 4 sizes to choose from: 2 to 10 ounce per minute, 3 to 20 ounce per minute, 5 to 40 ounce per minute, and a 10 to 80 ounce per minute systems. This product is John Deere rate controller compatible and will run through a John Deere display. And finally, Quickdraw. So Quickdraw is more geared to your spraying solutions. So what it allows you to do is carry onboard tanks on a trailer and automatically meter 4 to 6 products in one batch. It also creates a log for every batch for documentation, and each batch is created based on acres applied or gallons transferred, application rate, and chemical rate per acre. An optional eductor for dry, powdered, or non-bulk chemicals is available. As we lean into some rate controllers here, so we have the current versions for the rate controller dry and the rate controller liquid. So we have the rate controller liquid is 3.70K, and our rate controller dry is 2.11A. Setting up refresher for our rate controller. So here we have a John Deere 2630 display, and we'll just roll you through some pages that you will find useful when setting up your rate controller. We will first go into our settings page, and then that will bring up how you name and create your tool. From here, you can set what types of valves you have, alarms, and rates. For our John Deere Rate Controller 2000, the current software version is 1.13A. What the John Deere Rate Controller 2000 brings to the table is having the ability to apply 3 liquid and 2 dry products simultaneously. Through that Gen 4 display, we will set up that Rate Controller 2000 by going into your isobus, bringing up that rate controller on the VT, and going into settings. Setting up that Rate Controller 2000 in the Gen 4 display, we will select your isobus VT icon and go into the settings. From the settings, we're able to name your fertilizer tool and then customize the tool settings based on your implement. So what types of valves, pressure control, pressure alarms, and rates. Now we will move into John Deere ExactRate and its features. So here we have an integrated John Deere fertilizer system that can be in furrow or 2x2. What we can do is in furrow, we can do 2 to 10 gallon per acre from 3 to 13 miles an hour. And for our 2x2, we can select 5 to 30 gallons per acre from 3 to 10 miles an hour. It is driven by a hydraulic pump. We have variable rate technology, 3 preset rates available or utilizing prescriptions, row by row flow detection and section control. Utilizing this system is an all-in-one feature from John Deere Now we do have some limitations with the John Deere ExactRate. We cannot apply in furrow and 2x2 at the same time. It is not approved for pesticides. Single rate, push on loading only, so the onboard pump cannot draw off of your fertilizer tender. No direct injection at this time. Manual row shut off by section only. Not compatible with John Deere Connect Mobile. No agitation, and prescriptions are planter width only. The John Deere ExactRate system is compatible with a wide range of planters in John Deere's fleet. All of the 30-inch machines, all of the 20-inch machines, and 50-inch machines are restricted to corn rows. Going into a little bit of the operation of the unit, so this nozzle body may look familiar to our ExactApply system, and it works in a similar manner. So we have flow in through a stainless tube that goes across the planter, and then we have each nozzle body controlling 2 rows. We have our flow detection and pressure sensors, and then our rows out. At the base of each nozzle body, there is a diagnostic LED that will either enable when there's an issue or can be toggled constantly on inside the cab for added row vision. Inside the cab on that Gen 4 4640 or 4600 display, you will see a few slides that contain your tank fill presets and your tank volume readout. We then have your sections and some advanced options available that allow you to cycle through the LED brightness and some other optimization tools. The John Deere ExactRate system is also functional with a rinse system. So we can purge row units towards the end of the day or when the planter is going to be setting for an extended period of time. We do not have to evacuate all product on the tank and fill with water. We can do that simply by adding a tool to the inlet of the pump and flushing that system clean of any residue. Documentation of the ExactRate system is integrated through the My Operations Center. The Gen 4 display can be as applied data, and the My Operations Center can send prescription rates. Documentation for the ExactRate system works simultaneously with your My Operations Center account. The Gen 4 has capabilities of as applied data, and the My Operations Center will allow you to send variable rate prescriptions wirelessly to that display when it is in the field. That wraps up our fertilizer systems, and thank you so much for attending our video today. If you have any questions on any of the products that we went over, please contact your local GreenMark equipment dealer.